once again, welcome back to Kisira Textile Manufacturers. I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. I hope all are safe and doing great. October has started. Why? October is very busy month, right? Yes, when October has started, the festival starts if I talk about July, August. But how the month is passing over August, September, October, November, December, very busy, right? And this month, everyone is busy. Schools are leave, banks are leave, everyone is private sectors, companies, everyone is getting so much of holidays. Why? The worldwide, the biggest festival is Diwali celebrations. Today, I'm also wearing for you people. Today, I brought for Georgette Banarasi base silk butta, the matte look, mustard yellow color. If you want to purchase these varieties, the code is Platinum Silk 2 is the code. You have a color charts in this. So today, lightweight sari from the silk premium segment. I've taken this. But today I'm going to take you for only Diwali celebrations for your customer friendly budget varieties, Banarasi collections. If we talk about Banarasi, we have ethnic ways Banarasi collections which comes very beautiful varieties like Georgette based Banarasi, synthetic based Banarasi. You have a tissue silk Banarasi variety, Georgette based Banarasi collections, Kalamkari based. You have a Rajwadi varieties of type. Many more collections like Pashmina silk of Banarasi. All these collections which comes into a premium collections for this celebrations for Diwali. So today I'm going to show you and I'm going to take you to the 800 rupees from the 1000 rupees budget approximate at the factory price which I'm talking about. These collections which is only from the silk segment. If we talk about silk segment, we do have a low range segment. The low range segment which it's paper silk, tissue silk, uniformic silk saris, rapier cotton, cotton silk, which all from the rapier segment, which is low range. If we talk about the premium box varieties, in this you have a Banarasi, you have a organza, you have a Kanjivaram, you have a Paitani, you have a Bengali based Pashmina collections, Kalamkari based Butta weaving work saris, etc., etc., etc. So this collections, this segment is very busy. So today I'm going to show you only the Banarasi varieties of collections. For the celebrations, you got the beautiful box packing, the traditional, the elephant, the bird printed, the beautiful traditional box packing. You can order a customized box orders also, different pattern, different design and different colors. All these traditional based collections, the manufacturers are giving you. You can also make your set customers. You can do satisfaction and you can have a margin with the customized box collections also. Keep watching. Today I'm going to take you to the only 800 to 1000 rupees range of collections. No actual price, huh? To know the actual price, take a screenshot of the sari, call. When I share the code, you can contact. And why I'm not sharing the code? Because resellers having a different margin based on your locations, right? So in this, the plus point benefits is only dark color combinations, which is a traditional festival base. Let's come. So friends, as I said, here are the collections, very beautiful, pretty collections. Kalyan silk, Pragati silk is the code. The repeated, as I said, the benefits of contrasted colors. Here, the lovely collections, which is very beautiful. Magenta color combination with the one of the dark gray or the collections, which you can see the peacock blue or green, very similar dark color. Lovely color. The dark grey is mixed with the Banarasi Kalamkari border, which is Kalyan silk is the code. This is the code pattern and this is a sari and you have a beautiful running blouse with the pattern of the sari. So entire sari you have this kind of pattern you can see over here, the Bharatanatyam weaving work which has been done on the sari. So this is Kalyan silk is the next sari which is very pretty with the magenta with the dark yellow and the Rama green which comes in the highlighted in the pallu, the lovely pallu with the kesar yellow and the beautiful traditional kalamkari with the highlighted. So this is one of the pattern. In this you have a Banarasi with the customized yellow of the borders which you can see over here. These are all exclusive variety. This is the pattern. In this you have a beautiful color saris and in this there's a code called, this is Position Balucheri Wall 3. Position Balucheri Wall 3 is the code. This is one of the pattern. If I talk about the next sari, the lotus flower based floral casual flower color, which is a covered weaving. This is a kalamkari, red, yellow, kesar color, and the bottle green. So very beautiful. The code, which is Pragati silk, which is highlighted. The lotus flower with the dark red color combination. In this also you can see over here the beautiful pallu of the kalamkari based, lovely, with the fancy umbrella tassels. You can see the red glossy. So this is also one of the pattern. In this you have a lovely color charts. If I talk about the next sari, which is yellow, which is a beautiful, the Rajwadi base, which is a North Indian style. You can see in the south pattern, this is Kalamkari base, which is Miss World Wall 1, is the DGN Miss World World 1. This is the code. You have a multiple weaving thread works you can see over here. In this pattern also you can see the lovely color combination of the yellow, dark yellow with the magenta color, the beautiful repeated contrast to traditional base color combinations you can see over here. The next sari, which is a Rani pink with Rama green, lovely, with the beautiful the rangoli design with the flower with the mango leaf pattern. Kalyan silk is the code. Kalyan silk is the code. Rani pink with the butta weaving, floral butta colored, highlighted premium pallu over you can see here. These are all new articles in the lowest customer friendly budget of Banarasi. You can see over here Kalyan silk. If I talk about the next sari, which is dark purple, which is a brinjal color, exactly brinjal purple color combination. Kalyan silk is the code. Again the floral base silver butta with the covered of weaving which has been covered. Lovely. The royal premium collections of the new articles. These all collections you can purchase with set to set. So these varieties you can buy around, as I said, 800 to 1000 rupees of friendly customer budget price, where the resellers are giving you manufacturing price with set to set, and you have a catalog base. In this catalog base you have a collections range of the varieties. These every sari you will get these kind of photocopies with the catalog, and you have an index page also. Kesaria logo, and every sari you have a this kind of code also, the logo. And every sari, as I said, the barcode, as I said, the scanner code and different codes. Why? Because uncountable varieties which are manufacturers are supporting the resellers, dealers to sell and do the business, and supporting the customers in a friendly budget. These kind of collections you can purchase but only with Kesaria Manufacturers. Kesaria Manufacturers is located at Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30. Shop is there. If you couldn't visit, you have a mobile, just take a video call, do online WhatsApp chat. You have a sales team, online team to support you, to have a converse. They will share you the images or the articles. You can just choose, or you can take the video screenshot while they're watching, and you can talk to our customers. And the customers where you can do online purchase, COD options pan India available. Indian currency amount, if you are out of India, you can do 1 lakh currency where you can do the advance payments. So Mauritius, Malaysia, Singapore, Canada, US and Sri Lanka, every country we do support for the logistics also. We have a chain team. You don't need to worry about the product. You will reach your products with safety and security. Hope you enjoyed this Banarasi low range collections for this Diwali 2025. Quickly you can add into your business before getting out of stock. Hope you enjoyed. So next video we'll meet with new more collections with many more segments. Keep supporting. Please share the channel link with your friends, relatives, with everyone to celebrate, to purchase, with the gift occasions, to start a clothing business. Don't forget to share your name and city in the comment box, and what kind of doubts, queries you have, you can put it in the comments where I can clear with you. So hope you enjoyed. Next video we'll meet. Until then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye-bye.